Today my topic is ready-made garments industry of Bangladesh. The ready-made garments industry is the main source of Bangladesh recent economic growth and development. Bangladesh is currently the world's second largest exporter of garments. The ready-made garments industry employed around 4 million workers, of whom around 80% were reported to be women. The spectacular success of Bangladesh garments industry, which grew from $1.8 million in 1918 to $47 billion in 2023. The ready-made garments that are exported from our country, like t-shirt, polo shirt, outwear, menswear, women's wear, also kids wear. The main buyers of our country are the USA, UK, and Europe. The name of first garments, Desh Garments. It was established in 1971 after liberation. They were first export garments. The ready-made garments will take economy forward day by day. Thank you.